In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install Microsoft Copilot on your Mac. The first thing we need to do is to click on the Apple logo in the top left hand corner, and in the drop down menu you want to select App Store. Once you're inside the App Store, it will look like this. Now you want to select the search bar in the top left hand corner, and you want to search for Copilot. Once you search for it, it should be the first result, which will look like this. So we're going to tap into it, and if you scroll down you can view more information about the application. However, to download it you want to go to the top and you want to click on the Get button. Then you want to click Install, and then after a few seconds it will begin to install to your Mac, and you may need to use Touch ID or your Mac password. So now we've installed Microsoft Copilot to our Mac, we can exit out of the App Store, and now we just want to go ahead and open the app just as we normally would. So I'm going to open it through my Launchpad. When the app opens for the first time, you'll be greeted with this screen. So you can either continue using Copilot without an account, or you can sign into your Microsoft account. And then after a few seconds, you'll be taken to the Copilot screen, where you can start using it just as you normally would. Now Copilot is very similar to other AI apps, so if you want to access your chat history, you want to click on the menu button in the top left hand corner, and here you'll see a list of all of your recent chat history. Just bear in mind that your chat history will only be saved if you are signed into a Copilot account. You can also quickly access Copilot by pressing the Option and spacebar at the same time, and then you can go ahead and type in your prompt here. And that's it. So if this video is helpful, please leave a like, and if you have any questions or comments, you can leave them below.